your girl Lala, and I am back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, I am bringing you guys this makeup tutorial, and y'all, do y'all see it? Like, this look really pretty. If you can't tell what this is, it says Rise, and I did kind of like fire type of color, so but yeah, so this is the look that I came up with. And before we even get into this video, first of all, I just want to say thank you, because your girl hit 100 subscribers before the new year, and I am so grateful. Like, thank you for everybody that has subscribed to my channel. Like, your girl was literally screaming for joy, because that just let me know like I'm doing what I need to be doing. But before we even get into this video, make sure you follow me on my social medias. I have them all linked down below, and also make sure that you hit that subscribe button to add to the fire, because you don't want to miss what's gonna happen for 2020. All we're doing in 2020 is rising, like, as you can see. But yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button to become an MVP and be a part of the winning team, as you should, period. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also comment down below. But I know y'all are tired of me rambling, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So I went ahead and did my brows and primed my alias off camera, and for that I used the Benefit Brow Styler brow pencil along with the NYX brow pencil. If you watched a few of my tutorials, then you already know this is one of my faves. Like, this brow pencil is so good. And then to carve out my brows, I used the Plouise base in Rumor 3, and to prime I used Plouise in Rumor 1. So for eyeshadow, I'm about to be dipping into the Plouise palettes. Do y'all see how pretty this is? Like, this palette is just so freaking pretty. And I have dipped into a few of the shades already. So first, I'm about to take the shade Love Struck, which is this one right here. Just this dark brown. So next I'm about to go into this shade right here next to Love Struck, and this is called Obsession. So now I'm about to go into this shade right here, and this is called Fling, which is just this light brown. For the focus. So now I'm going into my Carnival palettes, and I'm about to go into this shade right here called Lights Out, and I'm just taking this to apply it like on the outer part of my crease. I'm about to go ahead and cut my crease using my Plouise base in Rumor 0. So now I am about to take these 4 pigments and put them on my lid for a double cut crease. So I have a blue pigment, I have a red one, I have an orange one, and I have a yellow one. Y'all, I gotta do a look with this orange by itself, because this orange is popping. Like, this is so freaking pretty. So now I'm about to cut my crease again. So now I'm about to take this pigment from Bare Minerals, and it is in the shade Brave, and I'm about to apply this on my lid. So now I'm about to go ahead and add some black liner, and this is just the NYX Vinyl Liner. So now I'm about to go back into my Carnival palette and take some more of that black shade just to blend out this liner, because you don't want it to look all harsh and stuff. So yeah. So now I'm about to move on to the face, and for primer, I'm about to go into my Milk Hydrogrip primer along with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty. I find it right here. So for foundation, I'm going to be mixing the Fenty foundation along with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation, and the Fenty foundation is in 385 and this is in Punta Cana 435. Concealer, I'm gonna be going into the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Beige. I'm about to go into my Beauty Bakerie powder, and this is in the shade Cassava or Yellow. So now I'm about to go into my MAC Studio Fix powder just to set the rest of my face, and this is in the shade C8. So now for contour, I'm about to go into my Black Radiance contour palette, and for bronzer, I'm about to go into this NYX bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. This is in the dark to deep palette, and to cut my contour for my cheeks and my nose, I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in Butter. I didn't even say this, but y'all, guess what? Your girl hit 100 subscribers before New Year's. I know this video is posted afterwards, but I am just so thankful. Thank you if you subscribed 2019, because 2020 we ain't coming to play. Period. Like, tell everybody to subscribe because your girl is on the come up. Period. And also follow me on my social medias, because we trying to get those up too. I look cute. Y'all, this frontal, it's a mess. I mean, if you watched my last video, then you already know what's up. But it's too small for my head. But if it wasn't too small, as you can see by the little front part up here, this would have been laid, period. But you know what? I'm the finesse queen, so we're about to finesse this frontal, period. Y'all, this looks so pretty. I'm about to go into my Juvia's Place blush palette, And this is volume 1, and I'm going into the shade Neo, which is this red shade right here. Don't mind my ashy hands. We're not here for a hand tutorial. So now I'm about to go into the Beauty Bakerie Sweet Gray Setting Spray and just give my face a quick spritz before highlighter. So for highlighters, I'm gonna be going in with 2 different highlighters, and the first one is going to be the Beautiful Goddess Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Royalty. And then I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, and this is the Amrezy highlighter. And y'all, this highlighter is so freaking pretty, like so pretty. I'm about to go into my Mehron palette, and before I do this, I'm gonna sketch the word rise on my face, and then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with face paint, going from the yellow to the orange to the red and then to the blue, like I did on my eyes. I'm about to take some black and some white along with the neon pigments just to create some highlights and some shadows in this before I go in and do like the background around it. So yeah. Okay, so I am sorry that I didn't really explain this, but it was kind of hard. Well, it wasn't hard, but it was like a long process, and it looks really good. Like, I am really happy at the way it came out. I feel like I want to add another highlight here. Okay, but yeah, it looks really good. It looks exactly how I wanted it to look, and if you can't tell, it says rise because it's probably backwards on camera, which I didn't think of that. So what I'm about to do is go ahead and do some white liner at the bottom. Go back into the darkest brown I used out of the Plouise palette, which is this shade right here called Love Struck. So now I'm about to take the blue shade. I'm taking the blue, the red, the orange, and the yellow. And I'm going to take these shades and blend them out on my lower lash line. I honestly don't don't know what lashes I want to go in with. I have a few pair, well, more than a few pair. But I think I'm gonna go in with these. Upside down. So for lips, I'm about to take 2 lip liners. I'm gonna be going in with the NYX Lip Liner in the shade Mahogany, and then I'm gonna be going in with the Colourpop Lip Liner in the shade BFF4, and it's from the Colourpop X Shayla collection. For lips, honestly, this is my favorite lip ever. Stripped by Anastasia. I don't know what I was doing without this liquid lip. Like, what was you doing, sis? Like, if you don't got this, I'm gonna need you to get it. Or get something that's close to the color. Cause baby. So I'm also about to take this Colourpop like lip cream. And it's in the shade 22. And I'm just apply this on top. This is the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below any more videos you would like me to do on my channel. And make sure you hit that subscribe button to become a MVP and be a part of the winning team, as you should, period. And make sure you follow me on my social medias, because if I'm not on here, then more than likely I'm on another social media website or page. So make sure you follow me on my socials. I'll have them linked down below. And without further ado, you already know what I'm about to say. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the real MVP, period. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.